In a quiet room at the end of the day, someone speaks in a thoughtful way. Lessons shaped by fire and time, softly shared in a steady line. A calm voice rising from what's been learned, wisdom carried from bridges burned. Every story gently told holds a truth carved from days of old. Shine that light from where you've grown, turn the journey into stone. Let the path you walk before guide another through their door. Hands once trembling now are still, shaped by loss, shaped by will. A steady calm within his eyes, storms survived, turned into guides, quiet strength in every breath. Gentle steps that once knew death, now a lantern in the night, showing others how to rise. Shine that light from where you've grown, turn the journey into stone. You walk before guide another through their door. Every lesson finds its way back.